Snow is coming. Oh my gosh, let's get out of here. Here's how to survive a snowstorm. Snow comprises individual ice crystals that grow while suspended in the atmosphere, usually within clouds and then fall, accumulating on the ground where they undergo further changes. The first way to survive a snowstorm is entertainment. If your house is full because you're snowed in, you might want to play a few rounds of cards to pass the time. Number 2, stay safe. Make sure you go somewhere where the snow can't bury you alive. Number 3, stay with your car. If you don't stay inside your car, more likely chance you will get a hit in the head with snow from thousands of miles across the atmosphere. I hope these tips helped you. Make sure to stay inside. Do not go outside if there's snow. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.